we are trying to go into the closing bell right now, and we are burning hard, and we're going to be watching this Apple computer trade right here. It's just that my computer is locking up, and it's all over the map right now. See, look it, we were at 8. See, it just froze up. So we were way in the money, and then they dropped it down on the bid on us, MMTs. Couldn't see it because locking up on the computer. Those are all flash trades in the name. And they are flashing and flashing and flashing. And they are flashing hard. You can see the flash. That's at 82 pennies is what's printing. 85s, 87s. Let's take a look at the Apple MMT chart. We fell below 55 here. Can't be doing that. That teeny is coming back down going into the close. That was a failure on that as far as it getting hammered. So what we're going to do is go right into the closing bell, see if we can hold this particular teeny line right here. I'm going to put it on pause, MMTs, and I'll show you. We got to get north of 55 and get a big short cover rally going into it, but they got that unemployment number and people have been selling and taking some shorter term profits, and we got to hold this teeny action. Teeny down. A teeny is 27 penny failure. Here we go into the closing bell. We got a 3, 6, 9 MMTs. Taking out half of that half bar number engine number 9 right there. We need to see that buy. Get up above these minutes. Now let's take out that top. Here's another short-term handle right now. That's that upper end. We got to bust through it. And I say bust through it. They can't keep sliding that bid. Okay, Apple Computer needs to build this 3-minute bar above the top of that last bar, MMTs. And that bar, the top of this bar, needs to hold that low end of that. And we need to grow right up and take out that wick high right there at 318. Shares bought. 150,000 shares bought. Whoa, baby. Here we go. Here we go. Mojo Rider MMT. I've got to hold it for that gap. I've got an after hours live order at 318.90, 317.96, buying on that bell, going in there, ripping right into the close with huge volume being bought. I've got big volume on Google, 134,000 shares traded on the Google trade. We had 140,000 shares on Expedia, which another 75,000 shares traded right there on the closing bell, right on that print. Huh? And we had a big purchase in a biotech, it looks like, at 26.27, 105,000 shares purchased. And right now, this is after hours burning, and we've got it, and we're staying in it. And the thing about it is, if there's any good news after hours and they want to gap it up later, we already got sales out day plus 318.90. And this is all after hours print. It's everywhere. You know, that's just the old volume. They're coming in. They're just whipping that thing around every which way. Look at that. Look at that. Closed at 318.27 on the day. That was the closing price for tomorrow. And our entry is 96 pennies. So we are above that entry. And we did extremely well on the closing bell on Apple.